Brahmi, also known as Bacopa monnieri. So that's the botanical name. This literally means bitter herbs. Yeah, that's the translation from Vietnamese to English. Now, this is another great herbs or plant to grow in your garden, and it's similar to the centella. So you find the taproot from the Brahmi, and you just sort of like pop them in the soil. It doesn't really matter, at this initial stages, because they will just grow out of this as long as you cover the roots really well. And yeah, it's really easy. So basically that's all you need to do with Brahmi, and from this point on, as soon as you cover them with soil, you put them in a pot with lots of water, because this is a water loving plant, like even more so than the centella. And traditionally in Vietnamese herbal medicine, it's similar to centella in terms of it's detoxifying and it's a cooling type of plant. So systematically it's cooling, and because it's very bitter, it helps with digestion. And we cook them in the same way, clear soup with tofu, or you can have it raw. And that's the two usage of this plant. Very easy to grow, and I would recommend you grow one. That's Brahmi. So in the Western herbal medicine, some of the effect that Brahmi has on the body is that is a protector or neuroprotective property. Basically it just help with protecting the brain function and improving the cognitive side of things. Number two, it's a anti-ulcer agent. So if you have a stomach ulcer or something like that, it will help reduce or relieve the symptom. And number three, it has some level of antidepressant or anti-anxiety, depending on how much you take. It's also anti-inflammatory. So systematically, if you eat them, it reduces the stress that your body is sending out. And so those are the main areas that Brahmi has been researched for. So yeah, today I just want to share with you, a great plant for you to grow in the garden. Have a little pot or like a container of water, and you just pop them in, submerge them in water, because it's a water loving plant. Very low maintenance, very easy to grow, and it will spread like crazy if you give it the room or the space. And remember, eat them during the winter time. The summertime is very bitter, although personally I find bitterness is great because it's very refreshing, it's very cooling, and it's very detoxifying. And if you seek Brahmi as a way to heal any ailments, speak to a professional herbal practitioner, because they will direct you to the right resource. But for me, it's just a plant food to have, and it's something that is great for the body. I'll see you then. Bye.